use myplate.gov. So you can find a lot of stuff on there for, pregnancy or, kids' foods, things like that. So with this one, we're just going to make our own little menu, so you can take that home as well. And so when you're cooking dinner and stuff, you've got some options for some different stuff you can make. Okay, so we talked a lot about diet. Like I was saying, the energy we take in, we've got to use. So spending time outdoors is important. That can be a good way to do something active that's fun. If you make, active hobbies with your family, a regular thing, that can kind of help you stay on track and help you do that more often. So every Saturday, say you go to the park, it's good for you, it's good for your kids, it keeps you on a schedule. So you're going to make sure every Saturday, you're going to go to the park and you're going to be active and walk and play and things. So when you're pregnant, regular moderate activity is safe. I know a lot of people may think that exercise isn't safe while you're pregnant, but as long as it's, you're not getting overheated, so nothing like hot yoga or something like that, as long as you're safe. So if you're doing something where you could fall down or get hurt, like, horseback riding or biking or something like that, you want to avoid those activities. So you want to do stuff that's safe, and you're not going to overheat, but it can be moderate. So it doesn't just have to be walking. You can be, if you're breathing a little heavy or if you're getting your heart rate up, that's good for you. You want to do about 2.5 hours a week. So that's about 30 minutes for 5 days a week. So you don't have to do it every day. If you can't fit in a whole 30 minutes, in your day, you can split it up into 3 10-minute sessions. So, if you want to do 10 minutes of some light weightlifting or 10 minutes of some aerobics or something like that, those are good options to do that 3 times a day. And just kind of making healthy options, healthy choices. So if you usually take the elevator at the mall, take the stairs. If if work is really close, you could walk instead of drive, going the longer way, walking a certain place, or, when you go to the store, maybe do a couple laps around the perimeter first, or whatever the case may be, just adding that activity when you can. I know a lot of moms are busy. They've got, they may have other kids, or like I said, other jobs or whatever. So it's not always convenient to work in, going to the gym or a lot of exercise. So just fit it in where you can, and it will become a habit and become easier to work into your schedule. So all this that we've talked about, what can this do for you? So I just want to go back and kind of reiterate everything that we went over and summarize it. So doing this can help you not gain too much weight while you're pregnant. It can help you control your weight if you're already overweight or obese, which all comes together to help you prevent some of the risks and conditions that come along with being overweight or obese while you're pregnant. So, gestational diabetes, which we talked about, preeclampsia, which is, we see that, in the high blood pressure, and then other conditions like, macrosomia and things like that. So this is going to help prevent those, and help your baby be healthier and help you be healthier and help your family be healthier in the future. So thank you all for listening in today. I really hope that this not only, gave you some new facts and stuff, but that it also gave you tools, to choose healthier defaults for yourselves and your families and your babies. I'm here to take any questions you have. We've got a couple slides here that have our references. I believe there's about 17 of them. So you may have noticed throughout the slides that there were some little tiny numbers above some of the things, a lot of the bullet points. So that's just where it refers to these. So if you see a tiny 8, that's referring to number 8 of the references, and that's just the study where I found that information. So if you wanted to refer to those later and see, where I got that fact, you can go and look. Alrighty. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope it